Hi folks, my name is Mike Strant. I'm the master formulator and manufacturer of MicroLife organic fertilizers. I think it's the best fertilizer in the world, and I hope that you use it on all your properties, every plant. But right now we're going to talk about turfgrass. I absolutely love turfgrass, and what we have here is St. Augustine with a little bit of Bermuda and some of these really cool little dollar weeds. And Bermuda, dollar weeds, St. Augustine, they can all exist in harmony. Biodiversity is what Mother Nature wants. Maybe we shouldn't call these other plants weeds, but maybe lawn herbs are all there to help improve the soil. But if you've got St. Augustine and you feed it right, the St. Augustine is definitely going to dominate. It likes to be in control. And so turfgrass is so wonderful. We need open spaces for safety and for beauty and for visuality, to lay down, to play croquet with, to your dogs to run, to play catch and frisbee with your kids with. We need lawns. I happen to love lawns. And lawns are not hard to take care of. They're very easy and they don't take a lot of water if you go all organic. And to go all organic with your lawn is so easy. We're going to take a look at a product like MicroLife Green 624, and it comes in jars and it comes in bags. And you're going to apply that about 3 times a year, and any time of the year is great. Organics does not work like synthetics. So anytime you want to do something good, it's going to be very, very effective. But you apply the Green 624 3 times a year, if in time, budget, and interest, and at least 1 time a year, you're going to apply MicroLife Humate Plus. Again, any time of the year. One application will last up to a whole year. It's loaded with carbon. It's very easy to apply, very inexpensive. And like the green bag MicroLife 624, it is loaded with bioinoculants, 72 different beneficial species and strains of beneficial bacteria and fungi. And so what you've got now is a very rich fertilizers that absolutely will not burn. It's extremely safe. You can eat it, you can rub it on your skin, your dog can eat it, everything is fine. You're going to have a very safe environment, outstandingly beautiful plants, and it's going to save water, and you're going to be so happy that you've got this incredibly great yard for you and your family and your pets to have fun in. So MicroLife, folks, best thing for your lawns.